Today's about showing up with grace and glowing energy.
The video you just watched now was made in Canva. Canva just flipped the script by integrating VEO3 right into their platform, making it accessible to everyone as Google VEO3 is very expensive and not accessible to everyone. And guess what? This AI generated voice over video are blowing on TikToks, Reels and YouTube Shorts. This is your chance to ride on the wave, create high quality content without high cost. So before I walk you through on how to do it step by step, I would like you to press the subscribe button and also drop a comment if you want more AI video hacks like this. Okay, let's get started. Before we dive into our video, the first step is to show you how to generate a consistent character for your AI video. To do this properly, you need to define 4 key things to the AI. 1. The subject. Who is your character? You need to tell AI who your character is. Second, the action. What do you want your character to perform? Third, camera movement. How do you want the scene to look like? 4. The environment. Where the scene should look like. How do you want the environment, the scene, how do you want it to look like? 5. The speech. What is it that you want your character to say? So you need to be specific to AI. So I'm going to jump into ChatGPT to show you how to do this. Once I'm in ChatGPT, I'm going to type in my prompt. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt for VEO3 to describe. Then I'm going to write my character, how I want my character to look like. I said a 23-year-old beautiful chocolate skin girl with a confident vibe that I can use consistently in my video. So I just gave ChatGPT a little bit about my character, what I want my character to look like. And ChatGPT is going to give me a detailed prompt to generate consistent character for my video. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me 5 different variations of actions for my character. So ChatGPT is going to give me VEO3 prompts for different variations of actions. I'm going to go over to Canva to show you how to generate our video using this prompt. So open your Canva. Once you're on Canva, click on Canva AI. Then you will see the prompt box there. Go over to create a video clip. So I'm going to paste in the prompt ChatGPT generated for me. So after pasting the prompt, I'm going to start customizing it. So I will come over to this duration. It's already in 8 seconds. So I will leave it at 8 seconds. Then I'm going to come over to the aspect ratio. I will leave it at 16:9. And for the style, we have different styles. So I'm going to be leaving it as cinematic. You can choose any style. If you want animation, you can choose animated style there. Then I'm going to click this right arrow to start generating my video. So it's gonna take Canva 2 minutes to generate our video. So we have to hang in tight. So this is my video. You can see how beautiful it is. So we don't need to spend huge amount of money just to generate video. Canva had made it easy for us to generate video by integrating VEO3. So I'm going to show you another way of generating video without putting our style. Let's see how it's going to turn out. All I'll have to do is just to paste in my prompt, then click the right arrow to start generating my video. You can see my video, it looks so real. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.